Have you ever wondered what kind of cooker is the most convenient and the cheapest? I'll tell you what kind of cooker to choose and you can go wrong with it. The most popular at the moment is the gas cooker. Gas is the cheaper than electricity and heats up faster. But you need to follow safety rules and check it regularly for gas leaks. The price of the stove starts from 120 euros. Gas consumption per year is approximately 730 kilowatts. And as for induction and electric cookers, they are about the same in terms of electricity consumption, but they are slightly different in terms of price and functions. The price of induction starts from 220 euros and consumes approximately 875 kilowatts per year. But remember, when using this stove, the dishes must have ferromagnetic properties. The price of an electric stove starts from 155 euros and consumes about 910 kilowatts per year. However, they are less convenient to use as they take a long time to heat up and a long time to cool down. You can also save money by using your fridge properly. Set your fridge to the optimum temperature around 3 to 5 degrees for the fridge and -18 for the freezer to avoid overconsumption of energy. Defrost the freezer compartment regularly to avoid ice build-up, which improves the efficiency of the fridge. Fill the refrigerator optimally. It shouldn't be overfilled or empty. This helps to maintain the right temperature. So, if your fridge consumes 400 kilowatts per year, defrosting it and keeping at the optimum temperature can save 50 to 140 kilowatts per year. By following the simple tricks, you can save money on your bills and avoid constantly buying new appliances.